Going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards. Ripping 2 boxes for Jeremy B. We got 124 Bowman Chrome Baseball Choice and 124 Bowman Chrome Baseball Hobby. So, good luck here, Jeremy. Yes, Brandon. We're doing them at midnight. Yeah, Fanatics let us open them a little early just because of the hurricane. All right. Bowman Chrome Choice. Start it off. Luck here, Mr. Jeremy. I know, I'm sorry about that, man. Miles Naylor, first base auto for the A's. Nice one there as well. We've got a nice Green Lava Emil Morales to 99. Hell yeah. 51 to 99. That's awesome. Very nice. Got Thomas Sosa, Raris and Rovas to 299 for the Orioles. Congrats on that. For the O's, and then a, bless you, Wilfredo Lara, first base auto for the Mets as well. Congrats on that. All right, that'll do it for Choice. Go on to Hobby. Yeah, the Morales was solid, dude. The Morales is really good. Like, he's such a beast. I think he's going to be really good, man. He's probably my favorite prospect in this product. Yeah, hey, we'll take it. Shang-In Lin to 250 for the Reds. That is a Blake Dunn to 299 for the Reds on the Speckle. Nice one there. Base and Shimmer of Luis Guanipa. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Nice. Leo DeVries to 499. I'll take a numbered DeVries. Congrats on that. 99 to 499. Fernandez and Walcott. All right, last one here. Good luck, Jeremy. Base. That is a Green Reptilian, Christian Curtis to 99. I really do like the Reptilians, man. They've really grown on me. Congrats on that one, Jeremy. Very nice. Blake Mitchell and Sorowanowski. DeVries first. Base. And last pack for you, Mr. Jeremy. Let's see it. It's a Magenta Shimmer Demori Pena to 199 for the Twins. And then a Darling Fernandez, Blue Reptilian to 150. Nice one there as well for Oakland. Base and base. All right, Jeremy, that'll do it for your break, buddy. Thanks again for the support, as always. Get it right out to you, my friend.